My name is Vishwat, studying in Madras Christian College in the Department of Physical Education. Okay, now we are going to see about warm up, warm down and its types, uses and its importance in sports. Warm up is a gradual increase in intensity like pulse raiser, heating, stretching the muscles by doing some physical activity. For example, before running or playing an intensive sports, athletes might go a slow jog to warm their muscles and increase their pulse rate. So basically, warm up are in two types: general warm up and specific warm up. Number 1, stretching. So both the warm ups include stretching. There are two types of stretching: static stretching and dynamic stretching. Static stretching involves holding posing for 30 seconds, where dynamic involves stretching through a range of motion. Number 2, other activities like jump and jack, arm circle, lunges, squats, leg raise, leg swing, high knees, butt kicks, etc. will also come under warm up. Generally, a good general warm up needs up to 10 to 12 minutes of exercise. Specific warm up. Specific warm up is nothing but it is a group of exercise that we perform to prepare for a particular sport or an activity. In general warm up, we will be doing the exercise to every part of our body, but in specific warm up, we will be warming our specific muscles more and more for a particular sport, and this is called as specific warm up. For example, in football, we will be specifically warming our lower body muscles like stretching calf, leg swinging, hip rotation, high knee, etc. And in volleyball, we will be specifically warming our higher body muscles like our biceps, triceps and forearms by giving exercise through rotating arms, etc. In lower body muscles, we will be stretching our muscles or warming our muscles like calf muscle, quadriceps muscle, hamstring muscle and etc. A good specific warm up will lead up to 20 to 30 minutes of duration. Importance of warm up. A warm up gradually reveals up your cardiovascular system by raising our temperature and increasing blood flow to our muscles. Warming up may help to reduce muscle soreness and reduce of risk in injury. Now we are going to warm down. Warm down is otherwise called as cooling down. Warm down is an easy exercise done after a more intense activity to allow the body. Warm down allows the body to come back to the normal resistance state. There are several kinds of warm down, cooling down in warm down. Cooling down involves in the activity like slow jogging, walking, lying down, intense stretch, etc. Importance of these warm up and warm down. Cooling down after your workout of sports allows for a gradual recovery of pre-exercise heart rate and blood pressure. If you don't do warm up and warm down before and after doing an activity or sport, our muscle will be suddenly stop contracting vigorously. This will cause blood to pool in the lower extremities and if we don't do warm down, it may lead to the high blood pressure to be pumped to the brain and heart, and it may lead to death also.